1 minute to replace the handle. 1 minute to replace drive wheel. 2 minutes to replace the controller. 3 minutes to replace the motor. 1 minute to replace drive wheel. Remove protection cover. Remove controller cover. Remove axle cover. Use another truck to keep drive wheel off ground. Remove axle, then take out driving wheel. Install driving wheel. When installing the wheel axle, make sure the axle teeth meshes with the gear first, then fully push in the axle. Use a hammer to knock it in if necessary. Note, improper operation will cause damage to the bearing and framework oil seal inside drive wheel. Tighten the nut. Install axle cover. Install controller cover. Install rear protection cover.